Hello and welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to use Google Meet. So, first thing we're going to do is going to go into the Google search bar and type Google Meet. Hit enter. The first URL that will pop up is meet.google.com, also known as Google Meet. So we're going to click that link, and here we've got two options, either start a meeting or join a meeting. To join a meeting, you will need the meeting code. Get this from the person that is hosting the meeting. They will either send you an email or it will be an invitation through Google Calendar. For this particular tutorial, we're going to start a meeting ourselves. So we're going to click on Start a Meeting. And here we've got a meeting already done. It will ask us if we want to allow or block the use of our microphone and our camera. And of course, since it's a video chat, you want to allow both of those. It's also going to ask you to show notifications, but we can block those for now. You can turn your camera and your mic off to start with. I'm going to do this since otherwise there will be echo in the video recording. And you can go and press Join Now. Now you will see that there is a copy joining info screen. So all you have to do now is go copy joining info, or click on Add People and add the people by email address. Once you've got the joining info, you can make an email and send it out to each individual participant and just paste the link inside that email. For now though, we're just going to click this away. To learn how to use the rest of the features of Google Meet, please follow our tutorial on the advanced Google Meet setup.